Okay.
We're here today, making another. We're gonna do another box thing. I don't know. Oh, Brocky.
Yo, what's up? Wait. Let me talk to the viewer. What do I say? I'm this guy's personal slave in making videos.
Hey, that's not a lie, Brocky. Brocky, I swear, like, Brocky, please. This is the first success I ever gotten.
Okay. Everyone, can you invite me?
Brocky, it's actually spreading, Brocky. It's spreading like wildfire.
The what?
The box, the box, the box. There's many boxes everywhere.
Did you do that?
No, it happened randomly when I joined the random house. It's working, Brock. We finally have attention for once in our lives.
You never got attention from someone?
At home, yes. I only got attention from my brother for beating me up. Yeah, that's only it.
Okay, invite me.
Sure. Let's try making the server rage quit or not. Spread the rumor now. Go to every single. I'm at house 22 robbing it. Retrofresh, amor test. Retrofresh. I'm gonna shove it up the best. One.
What the dog doing?
Fast as fuck.
What happened to my boxes?
House 21, right?
Yes, somehow my boxes disappeared. I am doing everything that I
Door.
That thing is that
Open the door.
That thing is
領域展開福間水
It's that you're a poo poo. You poop in a bed, you poop.